Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage SEAT. Now, this is part 3 of the satellite navigation menu. Now, what we're going to do in this one is I'm actually going to show you how to delete some of your previous destinations. So if you have been to various different places, had a week off, done a few bits of running around, and you now no longer need to store those destinations, what you want to do is go into one of these menus. So let's start off. We're going to go into My Destinations, because in there, the one from the bottom, one up, shows me last destinations. So you can see these are all the previously input destinations that I've stored on this particular vehicle. And if I thought, right, I want to get rid of those, I can come out of there. I'm back to the very beginning. And then all I need to do is push the settings button and go into third one from the top, manage memory. So if I go down 1, 2, 3, select that one, and then what I want to do is go down to where it says delete user data, and in there it allows me to delete either last destinations, the destination memory, my routes, point of interest, cities, or my home address. So I just want to get rid of our last destinations on here for the sake of this example. So that one there, I'm going to put a tick in the box. There we go. And then to make those disappear, all I've got to do is push the delete button, and it says, do you want me to do that? Confirm it. Yes, I do. And then now when I come back from that screen, and if I try and go into my last destinations, which is that one there, what will happen, if I've done this correctly, is that should be empty. There you go, no entries. So I hope you found that useful. I'm off now to go and get a microfiber cloth and clean the navigation screen. But if you found it useful, give us a like. To say, I know these navigation systems look daunting, but to be quite honest, when you start having a poke and a play, they're actually not too bad. Thank you for watching. Until the next video, take care. Bye-bye.